Hey everyone, I wanted to do a quick video to just show the difference between a couple of very popular loan programs that we can offer you. First is a conventional loan. That would be the typical loan generally, what you usually think of as the best loan, which is not always the case. Then we have the FHA loan and we have a VA loan. So I just did a 740 credit score in Pasadena, which is near me, and compared a purchase price of 715,000. What I want you to focus on is the rate and the APR. So rate is what is quoted. APR is all the costs of getting this loan that get wrapped into the loan. So with VA, there's a funding fee unless you're exempt. So that increases your APR. And with FHA loan, there's a funding fee as well, which gets added to the loan value. Down payment is another big deal. We'll get there in a minute, but 6.5 rate and 6.5 rate for VA and FHA, which is better than the 7.125 rate. So this is as of today, right? So generally, you have a higher rate because there's more risk for conventional than the VA backed one or the FHA backed one. So what you're missing is MI. In this one, VA does not have mortgage insurance. FHA is pretty high per month, and a 5% down for conventional is also pretty high. But your total payment is pretty comparable. Lowest is a VA loan, highest is FHA loan, and middle is conventional. Cash to close. So this is where I actually did the maximums you can do for most folks. For VA, 0% down is the maximum you can do. And so your estimated cash to close is just closing costs, estimated closing costs. For FHA, 3.5% down is the lowest you can go generally, or for sure. And unless you're in the 100% AMI or 120% AMI in high cost areas, category 5% down would be your conventional loan. So that's your cash to close. Loan term are all 30 years, 740 FICO score. So obviously that affects things. But what do you think? Is this interesting? Is that surprising to you? Let me know in the comments. If you knew that the funding fee on FHA makes your APR go up, but it's still a pretty great loan and helps you get in a home. So maybe you wouldn't choose, if you need to go FHA, you wouldn't choose a 715,000 purchase price. You'd actually go 680 or 650 or something like that. Look forward to talking soon. Thanks.